Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, I'm good. So, before we begin our lesson today, let's begin with a prayer. So, is anyone want to lead our prayer today?
Carilah.
I want to lead Miss. Okay, thank you, Saskia. You can. So, before we begin our lesson, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Pray, finish. Okay, thank you, Saskia. And then next, I'll check the attendance first. So, let's get started. Chalila.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Cynthia.
Present, Miss.
Dayang.
Present, Miss.
Devta.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Nursyada.
Present, Miss.
Siva.
Present, Miss.
And Zaskia.
Present, Miss.
Okay, I think everyone is here today. So, let's get right into the lesson. So, today we will learn about compound sentence and complex sentence. So, in the last meeting, you already worked in your group to write an argumentative draft. So, can anyone tell me what the conjunction you used to combine your ideas into sentence in the last meeting?
Or.
And then,
Because. But. And. No.
auto. Okay.
And boys.
Okay. Fun boys is for which sentence? Complex or compound? Okay. And after that, because in the last meeting you already worked in group to create a draft of an argumentative paragraph. So today you will continue the activity individually by writing our argumentative draft using compound and complex sentence. Okay, now look at this picture. What is this picture?
Boy playing game.
Okay, is that good or bad for students?
Bad.
Good. Okay, raise your hand if you think that is bad for student. Okay, and then raise your hand if you think that is good for students. Good. Devta, do you think this good or bad?
I think it's bad.
Can you give me a reason why this activity is bad?
Because it makes students cannot focus to lessons.
Okay, thank you, Devta. Good job. And then, for the good one, I think Zasil, can you give a reason?
Yes, because it didn't say that he played on class, so it's okay. It's his right to play games, and online games also help you to communicate with others other than people who around you. You can like talk with other people in other country or other town. It's good because you socializing.
But it is excellent answer, Saskia. Okay, next is today's learning objective is by the end of the lesson you will be able to give opinions about an issue and support them with reason. So it means that you do not saying that you agree or disagree, but you need to tell the logical reason behind them. And second, you need to use conjunction in your compound sentence and complex sentence. And finally, you will need to create a simple argumentative draft using compounds and complex sentence. And next, that is the main difference from compound and complex sentence. So in compound sentence is means that two sentences have the equal ideas, or if they separated into one sentences, each sentences can stand alone. And then in the compound sentences, we usually use a frame voice or coordinating conjunction, which is frame voice like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And after that, in the complex sentence, that is a one main idea and one supporting idea, and the one sentences depends on the other sentences. And in the complex sentences, we using subordinating conjunction, which is like because, although, if, and since. And after that, what is compound sentence? So compound sentence is joined to equal idea. This means that both sentences are equally important and there is no main idea and supporting idea. So the both sentences it can stand on their own. And this compound sentence we using coordinating conjunction. The easy analogy for this compound sentence is when you think about two friends is when walking together. If two friends walking together, when they are separated, they still walking alone without a depends on the other. You just like walking sendiri-sendiri. And after that, that is the conjunction in compound sentence, which is for. The function is for giving a reason, and the example is I stayed home for our sake. And after that, the second is and. The function is to giving an addition. So the example sentence is she studied hard and she passed the test. And the third is nor, the function to giving on negative addition. And the example sentences, he doesn't like math, nor does he like science. And the fourth conjunction is but, the function is contrast. And then the example is I was tired, but I finished my homework. And then in the fifth is or, the function is to giving choice, and the example is you can study now or you can study later. The sixth is yet, the function to giving unexpected contrast. The example is he is young, yet he is very responsible. And the last one is so, the function to giving a result, and the example is students were sleepy, so the teacher gives a break. And so that is called coordinating conjunction. And then you can using fun voice to remember this conjunction. Fun voice is based on the first alphabetical of the conjunction. F for the for, E for N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. And after that, what is complex sentence? So complex sentence is joins one main idea and one supporting idea. This means that there is a main idea and there are a reason, condition, or additional explanation to the supporting idea. And usually this complex sentence is using subordinating conjunction. The easy analogy for complex sentence is when you think about a parent and a child. So the parent is the main idea and the child is the supporting idea. The parent cannot live, and the parent is can live without a child, but a child cannot live without the parents. So the child is depends on the parents. And then after that is the conjunction for the complex sentences. That is called subordinating conjunction, which is they have a form. The first one is because the function is giving a reason. The example is students should sleep early because they need enough rest. And second is although. The function is to giving a contrast. Although homework is important, students also need a free time. And third is times, since, and the function to giving a cause or reasons. The example sentence is times the weather was bad, the students stayed inside the classroom. And the last is if, the function to giving a condition. The example is if students study hard, they will get a good grade. And after that, this is the example paragraph or for the compound and complex sentence. Is anyone want to read the first sentences for me? Okay. Zifa? Yes.
I think smartphones can help students learn because they allow students to access information quickly.
Okay. What do you think about the conjunction in this sentence?
Because means
Okay. After that, what do you think? Is that compound or complex sentence? Is the friends want to help?
complex means.
Okay, that's correct. The sentences is the complex because conjunction because is that the subordinating conjunction. And after that, for the second sentences, who want to read it for me? Okay, Cynthia.
Many students use smartphones for studying, so they can understand lessons better at home.
Okay, what the conjunction, Cynthia?
It's so.
Okay, and then that is the common sentence or complex sentence.
I think compound.
Okay, that is true. That is compound sentence because so is the coordinating conjunction. And after that, for the third sentence is to read for me, okay, Sharila?
Students sometimes use smartphones or games during class, and this can reduce their focus on learning.
Okay, what's the answer, Sharila? The conjunction?
And
Okay, that is true. And then that is the compound sentence or complex sentence.
compound.
Yes, that is true. That is compound because and is that the coordinating conjunction. And then the last sentences. Who want to read it for me? Okay, Nur Syahada, can you? Yes.
Although smartphones have some negative effects,
Yes.
they are still useful if students use them responsibly.
Okay, thank you. And then what conjunction in these sentences?
I think it's although.
It's true. And then that is compound sentence or complex sentence.
It's complex sentences, Miss. Is
Oh, yeah, it's true. It's complex sentence because although that is the subordinating conjunction. And next, I think that you already understand about the compound and the complex sentences because we already in the second meeting So I think you already have experience, have knowledge about this compound and complex sentence. So I think we have some worksheet to checking your understanding. So wait. Okay, you can read in the slide. So that is the rules to answer your worksheet. So you can write the compound if the sentence is compound sentence. You can write the complex if the sentence is complex sentence, and you underline the conjunction. I will give you maybe 10 minutes to answer that.
So we just need to write compound or complex on the red line.
Yes, that's true. Okay. Have you finished yet?
That's so fast.
Okay. New one? Gayam? Okay. When you are already done, you can switch your worksheet with the person sitting next to you, and they can correct them together. Okay, so already you can switch with your next. Is anyone already switching?
Yes.
Okay, that is the key answer. You can correct your friend's worksheet. If the type of the sentence is correct, you can give them 5 points. And if the two answer is correct, you can give them a 10 point. Is there any question?
Miss.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
it's incorrect.
It's the correct is just like the conjunction, and then this type of sentence is wrong. So you can just give a 5 points.
Oh, okay.
Oh. If the one question is the 10 points, is whole question is correct. Yes, you can give score. Is anyone already moving?
Miss.
Let's get Naya.
No, yet, Miss.
Wait. Okay. Yes. Already done, you can give me the worksheet.
We also break it.
Yes, just give.
We also count the.
Yes, the score. We need to give them score.
Yes.
I need to release.
Miss Shalila said she wants to go home.
You need to finish this job.
I'm sorry.
No, sorry.
I will do.
Okay, next. And next, under this worksheet, checking your understanding, I have a game or competition. So that is the rules of the games that I will divide you into 3 groups. So this 3, 1 group, these 2, group 2, and the young Saskia is group 3. And you can read the rules first. Okay, can I? No, issue, can I? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Do you need help, Miss? To erase the
What?
to erase help?
No, that's okay. Is anyone already understanding for the rules? Or still confused? What? Okay, so Jalila.
Oh my God.
Okay, I want to prepare the. It's number 10. So I will give you this worksheet. So you arrange the double words in this worksheet, and once you have found the answer, you quickly grab a marker. Wait. So you need to compete with other groups to grab this marker. You're as good as you can, but the note is you need to answer it in order. You cannot like your friend said answer 1 and you are answer 10. It's cannot. No skipping. If still number 1, you need to answer number 2, number 3 in order. And after that, when your group is already right to one answer, if you want to answer again, you need to send a different person. So one person cannot answer the two questions. Already understand, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. The open is yes, letter. Okay, I will counting. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Miss, is it only 8 minutes? Yes.
Yes, because the British Council just give me 8 number.
Where is the 2 number?
I don't know.
Bonus means from my game.
You always one. You always want.
Cynthia, can I have permission?
Oh yes, sister. My writing so bad. Mom, don't worry about it.
Oh, you erase. Saya bisa tulis. Sorry.
Oh.
Okay, thank you, Rashada. And now we will correct them and counting that the group that winning these games. So your first one is I don't eat cheese or butter is correct.
Putih. Ini. Itu. Cium.
And after that,
Oh.
for the second number is he's annoying but I like him.
Oh my
Like,
God.
Ini. Ini pantai.
And 3 is we're not very hungry, so we're having salad for lunch. Is correct.
Cium.
One.
And number 4, although she has a lot of friends, she doesn't go out very often. Is correct.
Itu.
Now that he's been to China and Brazil this year. Group 2. And then number 6 is would you rather go swimming? Rather go? Oh no. That is incorrect because this should be swimming. Or go to the chocolate factory. And after that, for number 7, he's tired today because he went to bed late last night. Is correct?
Group 1, Miss.
And the last one is we had a good time although the weather was terrible. Is correct. So the winner is group 1. You will get a gift after this class. Okay, after that, I think you already, guys. Okay, I think you already very understand about compound and complex sentence. So I will give you
Oh my god.
independent writing time. So that is the worksheet.
Oh, so many worksheet.
You can fill the outline first, but if the time is not appropriate, so I think we need make the argumentative draft to be homework.
Yay.
Yay!
But you need still write the outline.
No.
I will give you maybe like 15 minutes.
So means
Right.
we write until this or until this.
Until this.
Oh, my argumentative draftnya. Nah,
For homework,
Oh.
if the time is.
oh ya, thank you.
Have you finished the outline yet?
Not yet, please.
I will. Yes, I think we need to make this task to be a homework. So you can stop and next melanjutkannya in your home. And after that, before we end this lesson, what did we learn today, guys?
complex sentence mean.
Okay, that's right.
Subordinating. Conjunction.
Okay, let's start to learn how to.
Fanboys.
Yes, what the compound, what the complex, and we learn about the fanboys, that's the conjunction in the complex, in the compound sentence. And after that, so alright everyone, so thank you for your participation today, and you did a great job expressing your opinions, using compounds and using complex sentences. In the next meeting, we will be doing a speaker's corner session, so please prepare your work well and doing your homework. Okay? Before we end the lesson, do you have any question?
So we take this home.
Yes, for homework.
Okay.
Okay, if there are no more questions, thank you for your hard work today. See you at the next meeting.
Thank you. Thank you.